Need to get paid for your hard work? Sending a professional invoice with FreshBooks is the final, crucial step in your workflow. Let me show you how it's done. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start in the Invoices section and click Create New Invoice. Select your client, add the services or products, and ensure all details like dates, quantities, and rates are correct. Here's where FreshBooks shines. Before sending, you can preview exactly what your client will see. When you're ready, click Send to Client. FreshBooks will email a beautiful, branded invoice with a secure Pay Now button, making it effortless for your client to pay you online. My crucial pro tip? Schedule it to send later. If you're working late or on a weekend, use the Schedule Send feature to have your invoice land in your client's inbox first thing on a Monday morning. This keeps you top of mind and maintains professional timing. Get paid faster by making the payment process seamless for your clients. What's your top tip for ensuring your invoices get paid quickly? Share in the comments. For more clear business guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.